Okay, your homework tonight is on page 14. At this point in your MSG, you should have everything completed up to page 16. So on 14, there was 5 problems down there. I'm going to work 2 of them out for you. Okay, I'm going to help you probably with number 3 first. So, number 3. Number 3 looked like this. It says 16 7/75 divided by 2 5/10. So the first thing I want to make sure I do is set it up correctly. So I'm going to put the 16 7/75 is my dividend. The 2 5/10 is my divisor. Now the first thing I want to look at is I got a decimal in my divisor. I want to get rid of that. So I can multiply my divisor by 10, or the shortcut, move it one place to the right. Well, if I multiply my divisor by 10, I have to multiply my dividend, or the shortcut, move it one place to the right. And then move it straight up to your quotient. Now I'm going to rewrite this problem because it looks sloppy for me. So now I have something like this. There we go. Now I'm just going to divide out like I normally would. So I'm going to do it step by step. Does 25 go into 1? The answer is no. Put a 0. 0 times 25 is 0. Bring down 1. Bring down the 6. Does 25 go into 16? Again, the answer is no. Put a 0. 0 times 25 is 0. Subtract. Bring down the 7. Does 25 go into 167? And if I think of money, that would help me out, like 25 cents into $1.67. And I know the answer is yes. Now, if I look at that, it's going to go in 6 times. So I'll put a 6 above the 7, because 6 times is 150. Subtract. Bring down the 5. And since 6 times 25 is 150, now I got 75, so I know it's going to be 7. It does terminate, so my answer to this problem is 6 7/10. On number 4, it's a word problem. So we got $416.13. And there are 3 of his friends. Now, as I look at my divisor, it's already a whole number. The decimal's at the back. So all I have to do is move it up into my quotient and just divide like I normally would. Would 3 go into 4? The answer is yes, 1 time. Bring down the 1. Would 3 go into 11? Yes, 3 times. Bring down the 6. Will 3 go into 26? Yes. Well, I know 3 times 9 is 27, so that's too much, so we're going to try 8 times. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract. Bring down the 1. Will 3 go into 21? The answer is yes. 7 times. But I'm not done. I still got the 3 down here. And with 3 going to 3, the answer is yes, 1 time. And then it terminates. So my answer to this problem is $138.71.